Welcome back to the discussion and thank you for always joining us. KCSE 2000 paper 2 question number 21, a question on integration and its applications. And the question we have reads: the curve of the equation y is equal to 2x plus 3x squared has the x coordinate as negative 2/3. You can see it here. And x is equals to 0 as x-intercept. That is under the region that is below the x-axis. The area bounded by the curve x-axis, and x is equals to negative 2/3 and x is equals to 2 is shown by the sketch below. Part A, find the integral value of 2x plus 3x squared. So in this case, when we have 2x plus 3x squared, the sign you have seen here is start of integration, meaning you are supposed to integrate this function. We are going to have 2, this is x raised to power 1. We usually add 1 to the power divided by the total new power, plus we have 3x squared. We add 1, then we divide by the total new power, which is 3. And this one is going to give us 2 and 2 goes, giving us x squared, plus 3 and 3 goes, leaving us with x cubed, plus of course c, which is a constant of integration. And by so doing, we are through with part A of the question. We move to part B. You are supposed to find the area that is bounded by the region x is equals to negative 2/3 and x is equals to 2. So we have the region that is between negative 2/3 and 0, the region below the x-axis. So we are going to begin by getting area below x-axis. And the area below the x-axis is between x is equals to negative 2/3 and 0. So we are going to take x squared plus x power 3 plus of course c, then we introduce the limits. That is, we have the maximum value is 0 and the lower value is going to be negative 2/3. From this point, so if we substitute the maximum value of x, remember x is 0, so we are going to have 0 squared plus 0 cubed plus c minus, we are going to have negative 2/3, this one is squared, plus negative 2/3 we cube plus c. Remember, c and c will cancel. That means we are going to have 0 minus. Remember, this other side we are going to have 4 over 9 minus 8 divided by 27. And this one is going to give us 4 out of 27. Remember, 0 minus 4 out of 27 will simply give us negative 4 over 27 square units. Remember, the negative sign means the area is below the x-axis. And now we move and get the area above x-axis. Area above x-axis is actually between the area above x-axis is between x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. And therefore, again, we are going to pick x squared plus x cubed plus c, which is our integral value or expression. Then we insert the coefficients or the limits. We are going to have the x maximum value, which is 2. We square plus x is 2 but cubed plus c. We minus the substitution for the lower value, which is generally going to give us 0 plus c. C minus c will give us a 0, and therefore we are going to have 2 squared will be 4 plus 8 minus 0, and this one gives us 12 square units as the area of the region below the x-axis. Once we have done that, we can now get total area, and total area would be area below the x-axis and also the area above the x-axis. The area above the x-axis is 12 plus the area below will be 4 out of 27. Remember, we are not going to include the negative sign because the negative sign only denotes that the area is below the x-axis. And if you take 12 plus 4 over 27, this one is going to be 12 4 out of 27 square units as the area of the region within the curve, and that is the region bounded by the curve between x is equals to -2/3 and x is equals to 2. Thank you for watching and welcome to our discussions. And in case you are watching this channel for the first time, please take a second or two, you click the subscribe button so that anytime we publish a video like this, you will automatically be given a notification. For any question, online classes, or any other inquiry, feel free to contact us through 0701 686 283. Thank you and welcome.